Welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. I think you are all learning and practicing English grammar and vocabulary daily. Our today's lesson in grammar session is present perfect tense. In this channel, I have already uploaded 4 lessons on tenses. Please watch in the playlist. Let's start. English grammar tenses present perfect. The present perfect tense we have already learned in the earlier lesson that its structure is subject plus has or have plus V3. Has is the auxiliary verb that is singular for singular subject. For plural subject it is have plus V3. V3 is the past participle form of the verb. See the example. We have done the job. Here we is a plural subject, so we use have plus done the job. Done is the V3 form of do. See V1, V2, V3, V4. V1 of do is do. V2 of do is did. V3 form, that is past participle form, is done. And V4 form, that is ing form, is doing. Next one, he has gone there. He is a singular subject, so we have to use has. Gone is the V3 form of go. He has gone there. Here V1, V2, V3 and V4 form of go is go, went, gone, going. See the note. The present perfect tense shows a preceding action. Preceding action means an action just completed in the past. Just completed in the past. Already completed. So such actions we denote by or we use present perfect tense. This tense is a mixture of past and present. Means we are saying in the present that it is just completed in the past. At the time of speaking, the action is already complete in the past. Generally, the following adverbs and conjunctions are used to express the preceding action. Preceding action means again just completed action. The words are ever, just, recently, already, yet, till, so far, of late, lately. I repeat, ever, just, recently, already, yet, till, so far, of late, lately. Whenever in a sentence, if these words, that is, adverbs or conjunctions are used, then the sentence should be in the present perfect tense. So we can easily recognize by these words what should be the tense of the sentence. Some more words are there, that is before, by the time, after. See the example. I have just completed my homework. See, the word just is there. So that means it should be in present perfect. I is a first person plural. So we use have, not has. I have just completed. V3 form of completed my homework. She has already booked the train ticket. Already word is there, so it has to be in present perfect. Subject is she, first person, third person, singular. She is a singular subject, so we have to use has. She has already booked. Booked is the V3 form of book, the train ticket. Ever means anytime in the past or always. So far, yet, till. These words also mean up to now or up to this. See the example. He has not yet come. He has not yet come. If it is there, then also the sentence will be in present perfect. He is a subject, singular, so we use has. Not yet come. Come is the V3 form of come. The V1 form is come, V2 form is came, V3 form is come, and V4 form is coming. She has completed her graduation recently. Recently. This word shows it should be in present perfect. She, singular subject, so has plus completed, V3 form of complete. Her graduation recently. The present perfect tense can also be used with since, for, how long, whole, all, throughout, all along, etc. To express time expression. Time expression means a duration of time in the past. So if you are using to express a time expression, that is a time duration, that is since, for, how long, whole, all, throughout, all along. All these words, if we are using, then the sentence should be in present perfect. See the example, I have known him for 3 years, a duration in the past. For 3 years, 4 is there. So we have to use the present perfect. I is the plural subject, means first person plural. So have known is the V3 form of know. I have known him for 3 years. That is the right usage. Second one, Raj has owned this property since 2002. Raj is a subject, singular. So has owned, V3 of own. This property since 2002. We have used since. So it's a time expression. So we use present perfect. Third one, Rahul has played in the national team throughout the year. Throughout. Again, throughout is there. So it should be in present perfect. Rahul is a subject plus has plus V3 form of play. So that is about present perfect tense. You may revise it once or twice and get familiar with the tense form. Now there are some questions. Let's discuss. First one, I have just dash a letter. Options wrote or written. Choose the best one. Second, how long you dash him. Knew, K-N-E-W, knew, or have known. Vinay dash the punctured tire of his car yet. Did not meant, has not mended. Fourth, the captain dash me since 2010. Is known or has known. For the last 3 years, he dash this factory. He has owned or owning. The baby dash food since morning. Has not eaten or did not eat. Let's see. First one, I have just dash a letter. See, the word just is there. So it has to be in present perfect. So I plus have plus the dash, this blank should be filled with V3 form of the verb. Here V3 form of write is written. So written is the answer. Second, how long you dash him. Long. Again this word shows it has to be in present perfect. How long you have known. Have known. Have plus V3 of knew. No, that is known. Third one, Vinay dashed the punctured tire of his car yet. Again yet. So use present perfect. Vinay did not mend, has not mended. Has not mended is the right. Fourth, so Vinay has not mended the punctured tire of his car yet. Fourth, the captain dashed me since 2010. Since 2010. Since is the word that we already discussed. So present perfect. So has plus V3 form, that is has known. The captain has known me since 2010. Fifth one, for the last 3 years, he dashed this factory. Again, the time expression for. So use present perfect. For the last 3 years, he has owned, owning. Has owned is the right. Has plus V3 form of own. Sixth one, the baby dash food since morning. Has not eaten, did not eat. Since morning, time expression. So we use has not eaten. The baby has not eaten food since morning. So here ends this session. If you like the lesson, please like, subscribe, and press the bell button for all notification for all new lessons, and share with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.